today the topic is on how to find the determinant of a 3 by 3 matrix. The prime knowledge required for this topic is to know how to find the determinant of a 2 by 2 matrix. We have A equal to A1, A2, B1, B2, a 2 by 2 matrix, and to find the determinant of A here, you have to multiply A1 by B2 minus A2 by B1. I'll show you this with numbers. Let a matrix B be 3, 2, negative 1 and 4. So the determinant of B is going to be 3 times 4 minus negative 1 times 2. So the answer is going to be 12 minus negative 2 here, which is going to be 14. Now let's see how to find the determinant of a 3 by 3 matrix. Now let us consider the 3 by 3 matrix with elements A1, B1, C1, A2, B2, C2 and A3, B3, C3. You can see the 3 rows and the 3 columns here. Now the determinant of this matrix is given by, you write the first term, you start with A1, then you have to think about eliminating or just ignoring that particular column and the row that contains A1, and then you focus on the remaining elements that form a 2 by 2 matrix. And you have to find the determinant of this matrix, which is B2 multiplied by C3 minus B3 multiplied by C2. Then you subtract B1, which is the second element in the first row, and then you ignore or you discard the row and the column that has B1 and look at only at the matrix that is formed by the elements A2, A3, C2 and C3. Find the determinant of this matrix by multiplying A2 times C3 minus A3 times C2. The last term will be plus C1. I guess by now you must have got an idea of what to do next. Remove the column and the row that contains C1. Take the 2 by 2 matrix there. Find the determinant A2 times B3 minus A3 times B2. So this is the formula that you can use to find the determinant of a 3 by 3 matrix. A common error is where you forget to put this negative. So A1 and C1 are positive and it's a B1, the middle term, that you put a negative. Now let's use an example 3 by 3 matrix with numbers. Find the determinant of a matrix A. You have the 3 by 3 matrix given to you. So my determinant of A is equal to, I take the first term, 2 within brackets. Now I know I have to discard this row and column. So I have this part left. So let me just write it there. Okay. Minus, I'll take 5. I'll discard this row and column. So I have 5, negative 1, negative 2 and 1 plus the last term 3. So I'll remove this column and this row. So I have this part, which is 5, negative 1, 2 and 4. So the next step, 2 times 1 is 2 minus, I have 4 times negative 2, which is negative 8, minus 5, finding the determinant here, it's 5 minus, Negative 1 times negative 2 is 2, plus 3 times, I have 5 times 4, 20, minus negative 1 times 2 is negative 2. So this is going to be 2 times negative turns positive, so it's going to be 10 minus 5. Within brackets, it's going to be 5 minus 2, giving me 3, and plus 3 times, I have 20 minus 2, so it's going to be 22, which is equal to 2 times 10, 20, minus 5 times 3 minus 15, plus 3 times 22 is 66. So my final value here is going to be 20 minus 15 is 5, 5 plus 66 is 71.